Hi there, it's Alex from WTI. I've used a lot of phone stands in the past, and honestly, I've never seen one that's able to contort and adjust so well, all the while maintaining its hold. This one from SAIJI has some great features. What I like about it, first of all, is the leather wrapped arm. I find it gives the phone stand such a rich look, and it's really comfortable in my hands when I'm adjusting it. Secondly, I like that the phone clip is not so tight. I've used some in the past that were so tight that you needed like the jaws of life to get your phone into it, and it just wasn't very compatible. This one is secure but gentle. And the clamp clip is 5 stars. It holds on to whatever you're clipping onto, and this thing isn't going anywhere. I use it when I make videos such as these, and especially if I need an overhead shot. The phone mount is very helpful in this situation. The versatility of this phone stand is outstanding. It is secure, it is stable, it's going to keep your phone nice and safe while you're filming, and that's my point of view.